If you need a vacation after your vacation, and if you came back with a suitcase full of souvenirs, but
I'm just going to say it. It's official. You have a problem.
it's you.
If your vacation doesn't include intentional downtime, I'm just going to say it. I'm going to say it out loud.
Okay, say it.
You're doing it wrong.
Wrong.
Welcome back to Travel Tips and Recommendations with Nikki and Tommy, presented by Jones Getaways by Dream Vacation. I'm Tommy.
Yep. And I'm Nikki. We are happily retired Army veterans, but now travel is a huge part of our life.
And look, we're just going to ask you one serious question. Do you even vacation, bro? I know, it's hip. I know. Because if you're coming home from an amazing getaway, more tired than before you left.
Yep, that's a problem.
Don't act like that ain't happened to you.
Okay, a true problem. I mean, did you even take a vacation?
Bro.
Right. Or did you just move your stress to a different time zone?
And today, we're showing you how to plan a real vacation, the kind of vacation that actually helps you breathe. And yes, we'll share a few secrets as well.
Yep. So if you're still not sure we're talking to you, let's start with the signs. If you need a vacation after your vacation, if you schedule something for every hour, every day, including the last day, and if you came back with a suitcase full of souvenirs but no memory of resting at all,
I'm just going to say it. It's official. You have a problem.
it's you.
It's okay, though. The first step to improvement is admitting you have a problem. The sad truth is, this happens all the time. People plan trips like it's work schedule. Check in, check out, checklist. But a real vacation should include rest, not just amazing stories.
Yep. Say that again for people in the back, baby.
A real vacation should include rest, not just amazing stories.
Yep. And here's what we call vacation math. You did that. Good job. Vacation math. It's harmless. Don't panic. It's just a way to help you find the right fun to rest ratio. Or you'll keep coming back home cranky, bloated, and broke.
Oh my. She said what she said, though. Now, here's the sweet spot. 70% experiences, 30% rest. That means I got it. For every 2 days of activity, you need at least 1 day to recharge.
And if you're in a different time zone, you better build in a day to recover from all the jet lag.
Yeah.
We do this every time we take a trip, and it makes a big difference.
It really does. Plus, don't worry, but the Eiffel Tower will be there when you get there.
And honestly, I used to be the one that wanted to go. Every day we had to do something. But then, as I got older and I needed to rest and I needed a vacation from a vacation, I learned I had to implement the strategies that we're talking about today. So I had to rest.
We did learn.
Yeah.
Now, we did talk about the different travel personalities. We've talked about it before, but...
Yeah. So the different personalities, you have your sun chasers. They're the ones that as soon as the break of dawn, they want to get up and get out, get at it. You have your foodies. Now, they want to taste everything. Every time you see them, they around with a snack in their hand, eating everything. You got your party animals. They're saving their energy so that they could explore the nightlife, and they're not coming in to 6, 7 a.m. And then you have your nappers. No explanation needed there. Them jokers napping all day long.
Yeah, they're the people that get up for a good hearty breakfast, do one thing, and then go back to the room,
back, take a nap.
Yeah.
They got too much rest.
And here's the thing with those personalities. If you are trying to do everything that all of those different personalities or everyone in your group wants to do, you will definitely come back exhausted and grumpy.
Yep. And so we always start by asking these 3 things before we plan a trip. Do I need an adventure? Do I need rest? Or do I need indulgence?
Yeah. Then we build our trip around that. Now, I know they say, whoever they are, say you only live once, but y'all get it, right?
Yeah, you understand.
I know you do.
Yeah.
Did you know at Jones Getaways, we don't just book vacations? We help you build the right kind of getaway for you.
And we do this by asking the right questions to learn your travel style. So your trip is more than just a checklist. It becomes a true escape.
We're talking solo travel. We're talking couples retreats, cruises, ocean and river, all inclusives. We've done it all. And we'll guide you every step of the way.
So when you're ready to stop traveling tired and start traveling smart, you know who to call.
Who?
Us.
Jones Getaways. This presentation is presented by Jones Getaways by Dream Vacations. If your vacation doesn't include intentional downtime, I'm just going to say it. I'm going to say it out loud.
Okay, say it.
You're doing it wrong.
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 Schedule nothing for at least one morning or
You
afternoon.
can do it.
Just sleep in.
Sleep in.
Sit by the water,
Relax.
take a walk, wander around, explore the nature.
It's not being lazy. It's called strategery. Duh. Okay, you might know it as strategy, but George W. Bush said strategery, even though he really didn't say it. But anyway, it's the only way to come back refreshed instead of being exhausted and bloated.
That's right.
I mean, resentful. I'm sorry.
Honestly, some of our best travel memories happen when we don't have a plan.
Yeah.
I remember when we were in Rome last year, and we went to this beautiful dinner that was provided to us by a local
We ate
resident
with the local.
there.
Yeah.
The hotel that we were staying in, they provided transportation for us to get over there.
Mm-hmm. And we
It was
enjoyed
8 of
a
us.
Great meal. And like she said, there was 8 of us, and we enjoyed the spirits as well. And then we leave her apartment and we get on the street and we're like,
We had no cabs to get back to the hotel, so we just
problem was it's a very populated area where we were, so
Nightlife
all
was
the
jumping.
and all the cabs were full, and we just couldn't find one. So we was like, you know what, let's just walk.
we got our GPS. It's not that far.
No.
It's
But
those
every
people.
step, it got a little further away. The good news is we got to see different sites that we weren't able to see when we were in the cab or whatever. So we got to see the famous bridge. But the main thing we wanted to see was we got to see where Julius Caesar was killed by Congress. So it was pretty.
Yep. So had we
amazing.
not been walking that night, we never would even come across that area. So
It's true.
Yeah.
It's a good time.
Yeah. So remember those secrets that we talked about?
Uh-oh.
Here's a freebie for you.
Okay.
Our personal rule of 3 for every trip.
Yes.
Do we do something exciting,
That's number 1.
eat something unforgettable,
That's a strong number 2.
and leave space for rest?
That's number 1. Oh, whatever. All right. If your trip doesn't include all 3, you're not vacationing. You tripping.
Uh-oh.
See what I did there?
I do.
Trip, vacation,
I like
trip. Anyway, and that, good people, is our recommendations for you to have an all-around amazing getaway and not come home exhausted or bloated.
Yep.
But in the meantime, thank you
Bloated.
for watching.
Yep. You can find us on all social platforms
Facebook,
at Jones
Instagram,
Getaways.
LinkedIn, TikTok.
And remember to always travel smart,
Hey.
travel often, and travel safe.
Yes, be safe out there. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you
You can
never
ring my
miss
bell.
an episode. Till next time,
Bye.
bye.